Welcome back to Obi's Adventures. Today we're doing our Barbie rod challenge. No one left any comments in my comment section, so I had to pick a lure by choice. So I picked out this rooster tail spinner, and we're gonna see what we can catch today. Also, we're in the boat. First time taking the boat out this season, so hopefully you can catch a little bit bigger fish than just bluegills and sunnies.
A few moments later.
Oh, I caught a fish! Caught a little bass! A little dink! First hooked up on the Barbie rod. Buddy bit this thing weird as shit. Watch your profanity. Oh, that little dink. Little dink. What's up, Junior? Bye, Junior. Feisty little bass. Come on, little buddy. Something try to eat you. Gentle. Gentle. Sorry about your boo-boo there, buddy. Pretty fish, though. See you later, buddy. I got a little dink. Oh, it's a crappie. I got a little crappie. You're really pretty, buddy. Thank you for writing. See you later, buddy. Thanks for biting.
One eternity later.
Doing tricks? Really? It's fine. I'll just cast back that way. Stormfront is coming in. Thank you guys for joining me on their Barbie Rod adventure. If you like truck builds, motorcycle builds, fixing boats, DIY stuff, just random things, go ahead and follow the channel. Thank you for joining me on today's adventures, and always keep adventuring on.